Hello everyone! Welcome to another new video. In my previous video, I showed you how to add a background to the canvas in Customily. In another video, I showed you how to properly adjust the design on a template while adding a background. One of my subscribers messaged me saying they are facing this type of problem with their design when uploading it to a product on the canvas. Look, the design element has moved outside the design area. That's why the design is not fitting properly. So in this video, I'll show you how to solve this problem step by step. Before solving the problem, let's first identify where the issue is coming from. At first, go to Main Design. Look at the blue border. The design element has moved outside the main design area, which is causing the problem. Now, let's solve the problem. We need to move the elements and keep them completely inside the design area, making sure none of the element blue area extend outside the border. We need to do the same thing for the remaining elements.
A few moments later.
Yes, everything has been fixed. If we check again, all the design elements are now inside the blue border and within the main design area. Now, if we place the design on the product again, as you can see, none of the design elements are going outside the main design area. Now, we'll place the design here properly and make sure it looks perfectly aligned. All done. So, I hope this has solved the problem for many of you. Thank you all so much for watching the video. If you ever face a similar problem, feel free to message me, and I'll be happy to help you.